as you see here, snow out there. It is, I'm going to say, windy. It will continue to snow all day today, which is pretty bad because you have all the snow. I think part of the reason is because of some of the snow from yesterday. Was snowing yesterday, as you said, flurries from yesterday. Heavy snow is going to be coming down. It's going to be very windy. We might see some ice on the roads. Be careful out there. It's going to be very dangerous. Be slow on the roads. Be safe. Just watch out. This is a pretty bad snowstorm. I think this is really heavy snow. You see it's windy out there right now. It will continue. It will be frozen. The snow will stay and probably about up till Monday, Tuesday. Don't be surprised if you don't have school.
What do you recommend for people that are thinking about traveling today?
Do not, because it is a dangerous cause. Flights are grounded. People going to Florida, that's not going to happen. At least like Wednesday. Snow plows are out there shoveling the snow. Be very careful. You might have to shovel your driveway, the roads, the sidewalk more than one time. It's going to be really high, really dangerous. High winds up to 40 miles an hour, just about. It's going to be really dangerous out there.
What if you're a kid?
Well, if you're a kid, then you'll probably be enjoying the snow, probably be out there. It's enough snow to be out there sledding, which there are some kids out there sledding out there right now. Fall into the snow, dig deep. That's going to happen. Your hands are going to be freezing cold when you come back in. Yeah.
All right. That's our live coverage. We'll see you after the break.